Now, which one is that, Wayne?
This one right here.
Is that, okay, all right. Which is the other shaft, which is the opposite side of that shaft that got really, really hot.
Yes,
correct. It didn't have, that didn't have any lubrication to it.
That's this shaft, Wayne.
Let's see that one again. I just want to get a close up of that thing. So it's got some, obviously it's wet. It's got a lot of contaminant though too. That black stuff, which, oh, I don't know what is that, where that came from. Got warm, obviously. And then this, which the one you got, Steve?
That one. That bearing goes on this shaft. The one that you were just looking at. And this is the other.
All right, so that's the main drive-in right there.
Correct.
It's actually fairly clean.
It's not bad.
Doesn't have the same contaminant.
It's got a little bit of scoring.
Oh yeah, I can see it right there on the rolls. You can see where it was. Yep, almost. That could be debris though.
That's correct. That would be my guess.
Yep, and that's on the main drive.
Correct.
Which would be back down here. Okay. Which the orientation of this, you wouldn't get much debris going up to that bearing, obviously. You know what I mean? It would be harder to introduce contamination into that bearing if it was coming from somewhere in this cavity. You know what I mean?
Right.
Okay. There is a lot of debris in there, though.
Big time. Tons of it.
Okay. So this head is actually completely disassembled now, right?
I still have to knock the races out.
Just get the races out, but everything else, all the shafts are pulled.
Correct.
This is the A-axis drive side here?
That is correct. I wasn't going to do anything with these needle bearings because they looked healthy to me.
Okay, they look good?
Yep. And if you look at the outside of the gearbox in question, there is not the amount of debris that was on it when I first took it apart.
Yeah, this RTV here, you didn't, that's
not us.
That's not us. Yeah, exactly. I remember black.
Broken bolts.
There was a black RTV in there.
1, 2, 3, 4 broken bolts.
Yep.
Because they couldn't get to them.
So that was part of the cover that was removed. How was the lubrication in here? It is definitely moist.
Oh, it is moist.
You can see how it's wet in there, and although there is a lot of contaminants.
I don't think so.
This one? This goes here. Yes. Okay. Because this would be popped
Yeah,
out.
on my desk.
And this goes to that shaft.
This goes to that shaft. Can we put it over there?
Sure.
SB 1849, so it's got a new number.
Okay.
Hey, is that steel?